Hyundai has unveiled the redesigned IONIQ 6 and its N-Line variant. The updated IONIQ 6 features an elevated hood and an extended silhouette, complemented by a shark-nose design for improved aerodynamics. A black garnish along the lower body extends to the doors, emphasizing its streamlined shape. The previous model's prominent spoiler has been replaced with an extended ducktail spoiler, maintaining aerodynamic efficiency while creating a smoother profile. Refinements to the front and rear enhance its modern and high-tech look. Slim, separate DRLs and main lamps contribute to a wider stance, while horizontal accents and a chrome garnish on the rear bumper create a cohesive design. Inside, the IONIQ 6 introduces a redesigned steering wheel, upgraded door trim materials, and a reworked center console for improved functionality. The climate control display has been enlarged for easier use. The IONIQ 6 N-Line builds on this foundation with a sportier, more dynamic presence. Inspired by the RN22e Rolling Lab, it features wing-shaped front and rear bumpers with sculpted details. A single-line side sill accentuates its lower stance, while black elements at the rear, drawn from the RN22e, enhance its athletic proportions. These updates reflect Hyundai's focus on aerodynamics, technology, and design evolution in the IONIQ 6 lineup.